Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the concept of how to import the data from Excel file and the text file to the R programming. How R programming will utilize the data and manipulate over the data. Okay, data manipulation is nothing but combining data, obtaining subset of data, and perform sorting on the data, then data aggregation. So I'm going to explain the each and every syntaxes in the R programming, RStudio. Using RStudio, I will show the entire demo to you, which will be helpful to a better understanding. Okay, so before that, I need to create a folder. I need to create a folder RWorks in my desktop. In the RWorks desktop, I'm having one CSV file, that is marks, and marks new is another text file. Those two files have to created in an empty folder RWorks. That means I'm creating a RWorks folder. In that I'm giving one Excel file and one text file. Okay, I have to copy that address of the location of the folder. Then I have to make the directory for that location, so that I'm going to use set directory is equal to set working directory of, in a quotes I'm just pasting the location. One more thing, I need to change the slash here, because our program will not accept the backslash. So I'm changing the slash here. Then I'm completing with the codes. Yes, now working directory is set. You can verify by get working directory function. Yes, it shows the working directory. So in that you have to create a data frame first. So what is the data frame? Data A is equal to read.csv. How you can get the Excel file? Read.csv of test marks a.csv. So now in our example, I am going to create a data frame data. Okay, data read.csv of marks.csv. Okay, now I'm going to print the data frame data. I can get the Excel CSV files data into R programming. Okay, it is not applicable. Let's see one more thing. Marks new.csv data. Yes, which have four columns: serial number, name, M1 and M2. I will show that marks new CSV also. In the text file, Excel file, it have a four column: serial number, name, M1 and M2. Your data must be sorted from the first line of your Excel sheet. That is very important. Okay, so those information have been updated in the R programming. You can read those files using reads.csv, marksnew.csv. Okay, then I'm going to perform the following operation. Suppose I'm going to change the column names. I have to use the syntax. Column names of that data, particular data frame, I have to give the name for the columns using the vector. So that I'm using C here. C here. So how many columns are there? Four columns are there. So I have to change the column name of data is equal to C of first serial number is changed to roll number, name is name, then mark 1 and mark 2 is marks 1 and marks 2. Okay, I need to give a code. Data may have not been changed. So what is the call names of data is roll number, name, marks 1, marks 2. In data, column names have been changed to serial number is changed to roll number, name is changed to name, mark M1 is changed to marks 1, and M2 is changed to marks 2. Okay, so that you can rename the column names. Then number of row or number of column you can get by the following syntax: n row of the data frame name, n col of the data frame name, dimension of data frame name, and names of the data frame name. You can get the column names. Okay, then actually head of the data frame name you can get the first 6 column value, and tail of the data frame name you can get the last 6 values. Okay, so how can you extract the particular rows and columns using the data frame is suppose if you want to get the particular column of marks 1, data of marks 1, and get the particular column value only. That is the syntax. Likewise, you can extract the particular row and particular rows also. So we will see it. Data of particular row, 8th row will get displayed. Suppose we want to get some rows. So 2 to 4, 2, 3, 4 rows will be get printed. Yes. Okay. These are the basic commands of the data frames. Suppose if you want to get the rows 1 to 5 and columns 1, 3, 4, what you have to give? Data C of, I'm going to get the row of 2 comma 4, only 2 comma 4 only I have rows, and columns 1, 2, 3. So 2, 2, second row and fourth row only displayed with the column 1, 2, 3. Yes. So first 3 column will be executed for first, second row and the fourth row. Okay. Suppose if you want to adding semester marks to the existing data, how can you introduce a new column in your data? The thing is, sum is equal to C of, you have to give the values in terms of marks. So it is 10 columns. No, you have to give 10 values. 90, 98, 87, 98, 97, 96, 85, 87. You can see bind of data, comma, sim. So you can add the sim column value to the existing data frame data that is combined to produce new data frame data 1. Now you can print data 1 sim value have been added. Okay, that is you can add new more columns to the data. Okay, how within that how can you print the fail and pass marks? Breaks is a vector, 0 to 49 is a fail, for 50 to 100 is a pass. Okay, so you have to use that result. So how can you get it? You have to use the keyword cut. In that value you have to get the value same marks. You have to apply the breaks and labels. See here, I'm going to apply the same thing. This is from data 1 to sim breaks variable. Rex is equal to C of 100. Okay, labels are C of 5 pass. Okay, then result is equal to, so I'm giving two values, breaks and labels. Breaks for how to use breaks 0 to 49. So I'm going to give three values in the vector 0, 49, 100. 0 to 49 is a fail and for 50 to 100 is a pass. So that is labels. It is also a vector. So result is equal to cut. You have to apply the breaks and labels. Where you have to apply data 1, in that you are going to apply the same value only. For that I'm putting dollar. Okay, within that you have to apply breaks and labels. Result, yes. So all are pass only because using the same mark no one is below to 49, so all are pass. The levels are only fail and pass. Okay, now you have to combine the result column to the existing data 1 file. So what you have to do, data 2 is equal to C bind of data 1 comma result data 2. Result also get added in that existing column. Okay, the grade also do the same thing. You have to perform the same breaks one label one, and you have to give the breaks one labels one. You can get the grades, and you can include the grade into that existing data frames also. Then you can import the another class marks, the same variables, roll number, name, 2 marks and semester, and that you can compile the result, grade also the same thing will get performed. Okay, so how to combine it? We have to row bind data A3 and data B2. This is another set of data. This is another set of data. After combining it, A and B get combined the whole list. From this, you can find the subset of who are all the fail using subset keyword. Subset of combined comma result is equal to fail. Whoever the result is fail, those rows get combined and produced as a fail variable. So those four rows are fail. Okay, to find the number of students in each grade, so you have to use combined grade. So it will tell, the table is a keyword, will tell how many occurrences of occur for RA and B plus A plus and 0. Oh, sorry. So this will tell you the occurrences. Clear? So this is, suppose if you want to arrange, what you have to do, you have to new data combined order of combined dollar same, you have to arrange it. So what is that? Ascending order, you have to arrange it. Let's see. For data 4, data 3 is combined order, data 2 dollar sim, combined is not there.